My name is Edward Njogu Karongo, graduate in Bachelor's of Geomatic Engineering and Geospatial Information System. I'm continuing with part 2 of my recording about demonstrating about my final year project presentation, which is of use of big data technology in design of an outage system that can be used in solving a power outage. Stick with me to the end of the recording and kindly get educated. So to have a recap, what we are saying is we are designing a power outage system where people complain via social media, via tweet, in case of a power outage. Then the Kenya Power Lighting Company is able to mine that data and be able to assist those customers. This is my 10 customers who have complained. We'll demonstrate with one in Homa Bay and Narok. We'll get into Twitter. Once we get into Twitter, I need a customer to complain no power here in Homa Bay County. Let us tweet. Let us make another tweet with a customer from we saw which other location do we need, Narok, and confirm that the system is mining that data. And these customers should be from the home location, from where they are situated. Once they complain about their power outage, you can say hakuna stima hapa. It is we put Narok. So these are demonstration of what a customer should do from their location. We can see here. Okay, let us refresh the tweets. We can see new tweets. Here are Narok, Homa Bay, and Garissa. Let us confirm if the system have just recorded that data. We can see for Homa Bay, Narok has not yet come. I don't know reason why Narok is not coming. Let us so basically for Homa Bay has come, so it means the system is working. This is where we tweeted. I'm in Juja. It's on 21st August at 9:31 in East African time in Juja. So let us continue. This is a system that is mining the data. We can see I really need to go to one of the logs so that we can see what happens. So let us basically go to the next step, since this is part 2 of the video recording. So once a customer complains about a power outage system, the system is now logged in as Karongo Analytica. So what should happen is the administrator. We can see a customer now from the power lighting system. We can see #K.P.L.C. no power because of rain. What they should basically do is, this is the administrator in Kenya Power. He should pick up on the system and be able to allocate to the technicians so that they'll be able to handle it. So at the administrator I need him to allocate these to the support. He assigns. I need him to assign 4 cases, 2 to support and 2 to other maintenance. Let us pick on another case, or that's the same case. That's the same case. Let us pick on other cases. Yeah, K.P.L.C stima hapa hakuna Narok. Let us assign also to the support. Assign. So let us assign another this case in Homa Bay County. Let us assign it to the maintenance team. This is the maintenance. We assign the cases. So basically, the administrator in Kenya Power has 2 roles where he should assign, and we can see once a case is assigned, it is changing from yellow to brown. So we will come here, assign this one in Mombasa. We'll assign it to maintenance, and we said once any case we do, it is changing from yellow to brown. Let us confirm that this Mombasa one is changing. This is the one we just assigned. It has changed. So basically, let us case manage. We said we put a demarcation boundary, which is staff JS. This staff JS assists the Kenya Power administrator. Once he's assigned a case, he's able to know if this case, like these three cases, are in Nairobi County. So when administrator is assigning a case to maybe to the support on the person in maintenance, he really needs to know their location. Basically, these are Kenya Power business districts. Business district in Kenya Power means according to their substation. They according to which substation. So basically, what we need to come to the incident map. Once we come to that's the incident map. In the dashboard, we can see we have two pending cases, because everybody can remember that we assigned two cases to the support department, and administrator is a boss in the support department. So in the support department, anybody can be able to view this. We need to complete on one task. Once we in the task list, this is the way the cases look like. So basically, now anybody in the support team, leave the administrator, should come and pick a case from here. Once he opens it, pop-ups, we can see the status is pending. This is a support. This is a power outage. This is the task code. This is the task list. It's hash K.P.L.C. Because of no rain, he should claim the case. Once he claims the case, in the instant when we go in the instant map, that case should have changed the color, because it is now has been claimed. We can see it is here, it has been claimed. So we go in the task list, the case that we had claimed, this, okay, not this one, not this one, it is the other one. The other one is the one that we've claimed. If we've claimed, we need to complete it and confirm that it has changed the status, it has changed the color, it has changed the color. So basically, we can see it has changed to green color. So then we go to the dashboard. Dashboard, we can see it has changed from pending to complete. So really, the outage system is really working. So now we need to log out of the system, log in as another guy in maintenance, who is checks Howell. Once we log in as checks Howell, once we log in as checks Howell, now the system is logged in as checks Howell. Checks Howell he's only seen one case that is pending, because remember, administrator assigned two cases. One case he assigned to the administrator, two to the maintenance, and two to the support. So we come to the task list. We need to escalate one case. We need to claim a case and then escalate another one. This is the case that is pending. So basically, what happens, any person in the maintenance should claim the case. If they happen to claim the case, if they happen to claim the case if they claim the case, it changes the status from now green to yellow. So basically, after changing that, let us concentrate on the case that we've claimed. We In the task list, we should claim a case. So once we claim a case, it is now into a system. We want to escalate the case so that we log out and check if Mass and Howells is really. Escalating means taking a case to a higher level. If a technician in Kenya Power tries to solve a power outage and is not able to solve it, he should take it to a higher level. Once we escalate it, before we escalate, let us confirm that in the dashboard the status has changed. One is in pending, one is in progress. This one is the case that we've claimed, and this one is the one that is in progress. So we need to come this one that is in progress. We want to complete it. Once we complete it, when we come in the dashboard, it has moved to completion status. So in the incident map, it should also have changed the color. Now it is green. So we go to the task list. Once we go to the task list, let us now, we can only find one case. So we need now this case, we need to really escalate it. Let us go to the task list. This case, we need to claim it. Why? Once you claim it, it has changed the color. Once we claim it, we need to escalate it. Once we escalate it, we need to escalate to Mason Ridges. We escalate. So it means that the case is now not within the system. That is why it is not even with the system. No, it is pending. So the dashboard has really confirmed. The incident map is confirming that that has been done by the fact that it has changed now to blue color. So we go in the task list. We go in the task list. So we go in the task list. We need to log out, then log in as Mason, as 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 Mason, Mason at K.P.L.C. .co.ke. So it has logged in. So in the dashboard we can see it is an escalated status. So let us look in the incident map. Once we click here, it opens up. We see power outage in progress, and it is escalated. Once we see it is escalated, it is escalated. Incident map. So in the task list, so we need to complete this one. Once we complete it, in the dashboard, it has changed from in escalated status to complete, and in the task list, that case has changed, is complete, and we cannot even be able to do anything about it. It was a good project for my final project presentation in Bachelor's of Geospatial Engineering and geomatic engineering and geospatial information system. We really had to code the system, and it's a good recording. We need to confirm that the time in the browser, it is on 9:42 and on Wednesday on 21st August 2018. We are time in Juja, so make sure you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and also comment. And thank you for being with me and sticking around for my part 2 tutorial on my final year project presentation. Thank you.